Our home didn't originally come with a big enough kitchen. And with all my appliances and gadgets, I needed more space to house them properly. And I also wanted an efficient workflow, whether I'm cooking or baking, so that I have no clutter piling up on the counters. So we worked closely with our designer to reimagine the kitchen and its surrounding spaces. We took down some walls and eventually created three main areas, all organized by function: the main kitchen, the baking area, and the bar. This is where all the heavy-duty cooking happens. By removing walls, we were able to extend the space enough to build this peninsula. It's perfect for spreading out everything while prepping and cooking, and it's also great for group cooking. We chose a material that is scratch, stain, and heat resistance, which means less worry about spills or hot pots causing damage. Easier to maintain and keep clean. One of the key appliances here is the commercial combi oven. It's got moisture control, so everything roasts faster without drying out, which saves me time. Plus, its self-cleaning function is a game changer. After a big cooking session, instead of scrubbing the oven for hours, I can just turn on the self-cleaning function and walk away. We also have a range cooker, which is partly for aesthetics, but the 90 cm convection oven acts as a second oven when I'm preparing multiple dishes. Say something savory at the combi oven and something sweet at the range cooker. The convenience of having two ovens means less juggling of cooking times. The walk-in pantry is right nearby, keeping all the essentials within a few steps. It also has a freezer to store bulkier items like a 25-kilogram bag of flour. This setup makes it easy to grab what I need without cluttering the counters. Now, storage is key to keeping everything tidy. I've got cabinets for storing my pots, pans, and crockery. And I also have a top hung cabinet where I store baking sheets vertically. This makes it easy to access and keeps the counters clear of items that would otherwise pile up. Now let's talk about my drawer dishwasher. I can wash smaller loads without waiting for a full load. So it's perfect for our household of two. And when we have guests, I can run both drawers at the same time, making cleanup fast and efficient. We also have a side-by-side fridge in here. Its advanced cooling system keeps food fresh for longer. But I do groceries daily now, and so there's not much being stocked up in the fridge usually. It also has an automatic ice maker that's directly connected to the water supply, so there's no more fiddling with ice trays or spilled water on the counter. Outside the main kitchen, I have a china cabinet where I store my crockery collection. Not only does it display my dishes beautifully, it also makes it easy to grab what I need. Right next to the china cabinet is the baking area. Behind these sleek doors is where I store my mixer, bennetong, and other baking essentials. To keep things better organized, we added pull-out trays under the counters. This way, I can store appliances under counter when they're not in use, keeping the countertops clear and everything easy to access. On the other side of the baking area, this space doubles as our beverage and snack station. We have 2 integrated fridges that store our favorite drinks and snacks. It's like a mini convenience store at home. We've also got 2 granite islands. One smaller island for cutleries, baking, and cooking tools. And a larger one that's currently storing baking molds and grocery bags. Having dedicated storage for everything keep the space tidy and functional. Finally, the bar area. It's a simple setup for storing and serving alcohol. We've also placed our coffee station here, which took away clutter from the kitchen area. We also have wine chillers and a counter fridge and freezer here for more alcohol and ice storage. So everything is neatly tucked away. So that's how we've designed and organized our kitchen and surrounding spaces. Every area has its own function, and the appliances help make cleaning and maintaining the kitchen effortless. Our space is clutter-free, functional, and yes, I might have gone a little overboard with the appliances, but they make life so much easier. Better to have them and not need them, right?